Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today I'm going to talk about my homemade sniper rifle that I made this summer myself. Okay, to make this gun I took a wooden plank, cut it in two parts, and I carved the inside of this top part to fit the barrel, and after that I put two screws in here to fasten the gun compartment, and after that I just glued the top part to the bottom part, and now it's like this. After that I went to the local color store and bought some oil to get this nice color of the gun, which we all like. I also screwed in this little ring here and back here so I could fasten this sling so I can take it on with me on airsoft adventures in the woods. I also made a hole in the bottom part so I could fit the magazine inside here, which wrong side works very well. This is the old stock that was for the gun, but all the screws fell off, and I didn't want this ugly looking gun anymore, so I made my own. Just for a little information about the gun, you have the safety right here, which you can pull forward. Now it's unsafe, and now it's safe. I also got this scope that was for the gun, so that's pretty nice. This sniper is kinda weak because it only has 1.8 joule compared to my other sniper rifle that has 2.32 joule, but it works for medium range. Here's my other gun, but the gun broke right here when the barrel starts. So I thought about, let's just fix this gun. Not actually fixing the gun, but replacing the stock with a wooden stock. And here's the other part that I tried to glue back together, but it broke again because glue is not very good for weapons. But it could have been very good. I think it looked okay when it worked, but now it's just laying around here broken. But if you have this, you can shoot them and spear them. Enough of this shit. Now, let's go out and shoot some soda cans with this sniper. Alright, let's shoot this homemade sniper rifle. As you can see, this gun isn't as strong as the other sniper rifle I have, but it makes the job very well. If you have any questions of how I made this gun or any other kind of questions, just leave a comment, and if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Goodbye.